Ram Narayan Ram. Today, we will discuss Ram and the Bees Mantra. The Ram Mantra and the Bees Mantra are one and the same. Just like on one side of a coin, the word rupee is written, and on the other side, something different, but it's still the same coin. Similarly, what is Ram Narayan Ram? It is the name of God, who is all-powerful. As I always say, Ram means the sky, and everything comes from the sky. The second and final Ram refers to all living beings. Ramo Narayan Ram is a sound, a word, and it is the name of God. We perform worship and call upon God by different names. No God has ever told anyone to worship them. There is no evidence that any God has said, "Worship me." Humans have created so many religions that they have forgotten the names of their own gods. The name of God is Ramo Narayan Ram, who is all-powerful and is also the Bees Mantra. From birth, those who chant and become realized beings are our gurus. They are the all-powerful. They themselves are Ram Narayan Ram. We are all a part of Ram Narayan. We are his fragments, his particles. Therefore, come to Santan Dal, receive initiation. Whoever comes to Santan Dal will receive initiation, and they can chant the Bees Mantra. Even if someone has not received initiation, they can still chant. They should sing the praises of his name and call out to him from the heart. To attain him, one should generate energy from the heart and call him with devotion. He will come, he will appear. Just like Saint Kabir, who constantly recited Hari, Hari, and Hari responded by calling Kabir, Kabir. This is how we should be. Ram Narayan Ram and the Bees Mantra, though separate, are one and the same. Just as wisdom, mind, and body are distinct, yet not separate, they are all one. Similarly, air, water, the sun, and the earth seem different, but they are all part of the sky. We, all living beings, come from the sky. The sky is our home, and it is both our father and mother. Its name is Ramo Narayan Ram. God, the Almighty, is everything, and He is the sky. When we call upon God, do we ever experience a problem where a God appears and asks, "What happened? I have come to solve your problem"? No. But nature provides for us all, and through it, our troubles are eased. Life without nature is impossible. All the gods who ever existed worshipped nature. When we speak of God, what do humans do? They build a small temple and confine God within it, offering him water in a small glass and food on a tiny plate. But God does not need any of these things. He is the Almighty, above all, and does not require offerings from humans. We are born to revere God, but our journey is to become divine ourselves. We have come by His will. All the flaws within us were removed by Him before sending us to this earth. This is His grace. But people have created religion to deceive others. Those who have met me and spread false knowledge in the name of wisdom, I will explain to them what religion truly is. If we look at any religious text, it says that the sun and the earth are stationary in one place. However, an educated person says that the sun is stationary and the earth is revolving. This means that the books written by the so-called guardians of religion are wrong. That is why I always call people together to explain things, and I also understand them myself. I always say that I will prove it. Listen to what my Guru says. My Guru also listened to his Guru. The name Ram Narayan is the only truth. People should embrace Ram. Listen to it with your heart. Listen to reason, and reason will tell you that this is what Shankar Sarkar says. Our reasoning tells us what is true and what is false. It helps us understand who God is and what is right and what is wrong. In 1974, I received initiation from Guru Balak Brahmachari. I had gone to meet Balak Brahmachari ji with a relative. I was already a religious person, following my duties. I was sitting among 500 people when he sent word through others saying, Go, bring Shankar Sarkar from Sonpur. They brought me to Baba, and he showered me with so much love, more than even my parents had ever given me. Guruji already knew me. He planted the Bees mantra within me. He handed me a slip of paper, and as I chanted, I began to understand. His essence and the knowledge from his book shook me to the core. It gave me a new life. He told me that there is no difference between you and God. You are everything. Recognize your own reason and honor it. It is reason that tells us what is right and wrong. The person who recognizes their reason gains everything in life and needs nothing else. They act according to duty and religion. It is from this reason that energy is generated in our bodies. So why run after Hamanmade religions? We ourselves are God. Everything on this earth is the sky.